What's up, guys? Your boy Gezin, I'm here with...
Okay, Zano.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We're back with another reaction video. Michael Magz. Hondo, mupfungwa. Mkomana akati last stage. Takuenda independent.
Yeah.
Akuroma sinageka.
Yeah.
Since the contract yakapera but isusu tizozoti.
No, do you know I'm actually impressed though. I'm actually impressed.
With Michael Magz.
Yeah. I mean,
because he, you know, like, okay, say it then I will say.
I'm impressed by the fact that he, you know, like I said, we did a podcast. Please go check it out. In that podcast, we talked about Michael Magz and what's happening in Holy. And we were like, you know, Michael Magz has a lot to do in terms of being an independent artist and dropping a song and not have people think about Holy in that song.
Okay, yeah.
Whenever someone says Michael Magz, automatically connecting Holy 10, right? So this we recorded that video before they announced today. So ever since that, he's been dropping singles. Yes, this one, this particular song. Is it this one or the one before?
The new chapter.
New chapter is brilliant.
New chapter, yeah.
So this one, yeah, I like the fact that he's being consistent. I see.
Yeah, that's true.
And in that consistency, people are listening.
Dala. Yakabuda chirusama nyangandi?
No,
Angabuda. Okay.
So I like the consistency because he has to work extra hard for people to not then associate his name with Holy 10. Like what saintfloew did.
Exactly.
And it's not an easy task. It's not an easy task.
It's not easy. Because, you know, like, audience, it's you and Holy 10. Like, it's Michael Magz and Holy 10. But he's trying to prove, you know, without Holy 10, I can still do it.
It's a very demanding task, but then from what I'm seeing and from the numbers he's doing,
exactly.
Which I'm actually really impressed.
Yeah, my numbers.
But then it's still gonna take a lot of work.
Yeah,
but right now the trending topic is Michael Magz leaving Samanyanga and Holy 10. He's still tied to Holy 10.
Yeah, he is.
So he's still trying. He still have a long way.
But I think
he's going.
But I think it's going there. And I think obviously I don't know what one day it's just Michael Magz.
Yeah, but you just need to get that connection out of people's heads. But if you want to hear more, please go check out my new podcast on the second channel.
Yeah, go and check it out.
Maura. But anyway,
yeah. So let's get straight into the song and like and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. You know the vibes. Yes, sir. Let's go.
Hey, nine my weeks pusha, but at the same time the rules are running way musha. Nakatombo tenga mota ndakatengesa food ndakufamba netsoka food cause why dura mtucha ndokutomva okucha pamwe jambo pamadhiri nana boys.
Let's talk about that.
Message ngumana futhi.
Yeah, this song don't watch TP.
Yeah, so then I think some more.
But that's a fact, guys. I feel like people need to when people say what would you buy first, do you not think standing and not motor? When on this audio, motor I don't do that, guys. Motor I don't do that. Because motor you have to be fana ukuona kuti mota wakwanisa kuisa mari wakwanisa mtutra wakwanisa mtero wakwanisa kusevisa mota wangu
but
parking food
but it depends with the stand yacho kuitenga kupi
no, each side has its own pros and cons.
Exactly. Yeah.
Which means you should weigh before you just jump into something. Usangoti ndabata 3,000 nas. Do life saving yangu motor bo.
aiwa iyo riski
unopaka mota ukuna kwaunoenda nama
aya riski
uchitenga mota ufana kuservisa first hauna mari kuservisa yakutongofa within 6 months
6 months apa ungotengesera second hand
wasvika mutown uklembo yatohora
50 years 100 years
yatohora saka yeah I feel anyway that's not the truth
ngomana atengeze mota zvakutora
what he's saying it chingotere kuti don't just get into something without thinking about
exactly
kuti chichi
chazoitika pambira
kutya nokutomva wakutya pamwe jambo pamadhiri nana boys brains akutofa musoro nematrama noise vane mari vanopfuura vachiganza nematoys vanoganza nematoys ndotongorova doro iri rinondipa kukangana nguva yacho nemukana zviri kuramba kusangana everyday tinongorara chiti maybe mangwana ndopa zvichaita aiwa zvako
wait sorry pane bhara ataure kuti anzi ndombomwa doro ndimbokangana pane tamboidiscussa neboys in the afternoon kuti let's say zvikanzi alcohol ichatengeswa do you know kuti vanhu vanoguma ngokita do you know that depression do you know okay also what got say topic for a podcast. Let's focus on the song.
Zviri patu
zviri patu but you can also deepisa in terms of kazhinji kacho vanhu varomwa doro kubvisa stress most of the time.
But then if you read and think about it, sometimes also to one anongo achiti drumira stress but yatongomira because what wachita. That's the honest truth.
Cause the reason of kutangweka ndeyekuti asaramba achifunga because do you know kuti wakana ukataka you won't think
that. I understand
exactly,
but uchazosvika point kuti you need that as a coping mechanism. Once wazosvika ipapo ka watochita kuena wadek
yatongo consistent raramba chingoma
it's a coping mechanism pese pangostresswa headache nanetsikana my weight can draw short one ndo paichazosvika. And if you think about it, every watozongodaro coping mechanism ka
system yako yakajira kutokwadza
zvichazokuitisa stress yatodora racho because mari yaushandisa padoro ka yakumainasa kunga kwacho wakutoita inge stress wakuita coping mechanism yekumwa futi.
Yeah, it's tricky. It's tricky but
kana watochidhakwa chingopfuma kuti
I'm
just saying.
I get your point.
But yeah, I also get it with the people doing that.
Yeah, there are some people doing it, but it is what it is.
Shouldn't be a coping mechanism.
Yeah.
Every day tinongorara chiti maybe mangwana ndopa zvichaita but aiwa zvakwana wakutorwadza musana zvinorwadza kuona baba vachimukira pamushana mwari pindira jesu pakda minana masango matema aiwa bhundu rakashiba haringangoswere chema taneta musodzi kushima baba vakaritaya kubasa but hapana pension hanzi pane mari dzavaiba geto rinonditi prodigal son ndakambotisa joni ndanyeperwa kuti hanzi ndamitisa shanu ndaimuchengeta nemwana ye dai maikwanisa kuvhura pfungwa dzangu ndokurwisana nehondo mupfungwa muzera hondo
I'm impressed by what he's doing.
Exactly.
He's proving good. Him himself as a solo artist can produce songs that are equally as good as Akaita Bundu Boys.
Bundu Boys
but now
every sound ndokwana.
But now the problem is that attachment.
It takes time,
and I know
it's gonna take time,
especially if that was your first impression. First impression, no needs a visa.
So it's gonna take time.
Yeah,
but you're saying
no, but it took work.
But it
took work.
It took
the
time.
problem, the thing with saying he didn't have a joint album. Nobody
exactly. But yes.
No, that blew him up. That blew him up.
Yeah.
This album.
He did the Jewel album. Yeah,
Though, that's what made people Michael Magz.
I get it.
His first breakout song yengeri solo song yengeri chi. Kuna mwenda.
But yeah, we manje yakatengera feature in Atuna Wall. I get it.
My point.
I get it.
First impression,
but
arikuruwa zvake arikuruwa. Shout out to Michael Magz, man.
Shout out.
Ndaona ngecomment zvichinzi nevhesi yarowa naholi pagore Michael Magz asiri yanyorera maso.
Okay, I get it. Kubana nyorerwa pesa by killer. Shit. Yeah, because he's also a songwriter.
And
a producer foot.
I'm wrong in.
I mean, I value it.
Inzwa ndaive muround nagomwe kanti sina cash but antine mbanje muhomwe best believer isi secret namoineta utsomwe paite pisira wiki reso kwana mazuva manomwe vaida kutiza urombe namo yakaita varombe tari aive mhandarasi namo yakaita pombe tinomuona pana 4th anodzivhura hombe kokuzoti zvinodhaka anofizura mukombe zvichari type yese geto rine vibe rese akamikisa 2 vasikana so he to wife rese akanzi zvaita sei man that was a tough question akadisonwa namdara that was a rough lesson any mini money more I just want the money more takakura tiri broke tiri weird and funny so Magz, hey. Dai mai kwanisa kuvura pfungwa dzangu ndukurwisana nehondo mupfungwa muzere hondo jeje dai mai kwanisa kuvura pfungwa dzangu ndukurwisana nehondo mupendi muzere hondo nenhamo dzangu.
Yeah, song Aroa.
Alright.
Song Aroa.
Using TV.
Yeah, this is a deep song. Song Aroa. I like this song. And these are the type of songs that would turn people to a Michael Magz fan.
Yeah, because unuzungu ukatunza this song after kutoti
yeah,
ndatofendera Michael Magz. Why is it?
Mpe maru wake.
Ngoma nato umanura sound hizo.
Yeah, mpe maru wake.
Sound hizo ari kuizo kuripa.
Yeah, we like it. We like versatile.
It's crazy. Yeah, I think that's it for the reaction video, guys. Hope you like it. And comment down below what you think. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Subscribe to my boys channel. Nawanadem.